Hi, are you looking for a property and are tired of doing site visits? Well, you have landed at the right place. This is Property Cloud and I am Ekta Kapoor and I'm going to help you do virtual site tours. वर्चुअल साइट टूर्स एग्जैक्टली क्या होते हैं? ये होते हैं जहाँ पे हम आपको बताते हैं लोकेशन कैसा है, प्रोजेक्ट कैसा है, इनफैक्ट हम आपको ये भी दिखाते हैं कि प्रोजेक्ट का लैंडस्केपिंग कैसा होगा, अमेनिटीज कैसे होंगे, एंड ऑल्सो वी शो यू द सैंपल फ्लैट. दिस इज व्हाट वी डू ओवर हियर एट प्रॉपर्टी क्लाउड फॉर यू सो दैट यू कैन सेलेक्ट योर ड्रीम होम एट द कंफर्ट ऑफ योर हाउस एंड देन ऑल्सो ट्रैवल विथ योर डेडिकेटेड रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर to the project. So now let's start and let me take you to a particular project which is extremely beautiful. This is a brand new upcoming project by Chandak and it is located in Chembur. Let's see यहाँ पर पहुँचना कैसे है, आगे की बातें आगे. Now, as I told you that the project is ongoing and the work is in progress, this is the only project that's going to have a sea view in this area. Now, let me tell you the configurations. The configurations are going to be of different multiple variants of 1, 2 and 3 BHKs. The 1 BHK start from 400 square feet and the pricing starts from 1.18 crore onwards. The 2 BHK start from 640 square feet and the pricing is 1.85 crore onwards. And the 3 BHKs would be of 840 square feet starting from 2.56 crores onwards. And I'm sure आपने already view भी देखा जिसमें you must have seen the Tata Colony and the RCF College view, which is going to be a lifetime view. Recreational activities, entertainment, malls, and a lot of there is there that you have seen on the way. A lot of schools and colleges is also there on the way. Now, if you need to know that you need to come over here and book the project or maybe see the project, कैसे करेंगे? बहुत simple है. यहाँ पर Property Cloud पे we will assist you right from seeing the project on your mobile phone until coming and living in the house. How does this work? It's very simple. There is a link that's mentioned in the caption जिस पे आपको करना है click. Once you've done that, our salesperson will get in touch with you. You will get a dedicated relationship manager and you will be brought over here in the company car. If you want to buy a house or even rent a house, at Property Cloud, we provide all kind of services and this is not just for India. We are spread out in multiple cities in India like Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Delhi, but we're also available internationally for countries like UAE, Canada, Singapore and many more. Now, if you want to know कि और कुछ details हैं क्या जो आप जान सकते हैं, बहुत simple है. सबसे पहले कर लीजिए subscribe हमारे channel पे और फिर you can also ask in the comments if you have any questions left. I will be there to assist you. Thank you very much.